Yo, what is good, sneaker channel? It's your boy Big Grizz, man, and I just wanted to show y'all my collection, man. This is the updated. We're missing one shoe's not here, but you know what I'm saying. It's been a minute since I gave y'all an update. So as y'all see, we got the Midnight Navies right there, followed by the Space Jam 11s, followed by the Black Toe ones, followed by the Off-White 5s. Then we got the Flint 13s. Then we got, like I said, there's a shoe that's not here, you know what I'm saying, that I'm about to get back. I did try to sell it, but, they did some BS. So I'm probably going to get the shoe back. This one, you already know what these are. You already know, the breads. You know what I'm saying, bread 11s. Then we got the, I don't even know which 12s these are, honestly, y'all. What is I know the red ones is the Flu. What is these? The Royal 12? I don't know. I honestly don't know the name of these. Travis Scott, this is probably my favorite shoe in here. Maybe. Travis Scott 6s. Then we got the low, the Concord bread lows. And then we got these that came out this year, or last year. And then, you know what I'm saying, we got empty spot for something special. Don't worry, something special. Then down here, we got the 90s. More colors on the way. I'm missing the these are the turquoise. I'm missing the Hyper Royal. I'm missing a purple. I'm missing, there's like a Vault Green. And there's a pink. I'm missing like five pairs, but don't worry, pretty soon all of these will be filled up. These is my Yeezys. Let me show y'all. I'm getting more, but if Yeezys is, yeah, bro. As soon as them joys drop, they go crazy. These, we got the Air Max 1s that we hit off sneakers. I did a video on these. Make sure y'all check them out. These, I did a video on these as well. These are from StockX. These are the Dunks. I got way more Dunks coming. I'm about to go dunk crazy. I told you I'm trying to switch it up. I love Jordans, but Dunks and Air Maxes always been my loves. Just couldn't afford them back then. And these we just got one of my favorite Air Forces. Honestly, they a little worn, but they still in good condition. They just need good cleaning. You know what I'm saying? But that's pretty much everything that we got here, man. Now down here is probably gonna be my dunk section. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to go crazy with the Dunks, and we still gotta grab more Air Maxes. So honestly, this is gonna extend out to probably like right here. I'm gonna have it touch my bed, so we could probably fit maybe 2 more rows. So that's what, 6 boxes. You know what I'm saying, right there. And we're gonna fill the rest of this shit out. But you know what I'm saying? I really got some stuff planned for this. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned. I'm just plotting, getting everything together. But once I get back from this New York trip, though, man, we back rolling. I honestly got like 3. Once I get back from New York, I got like 3 shoes I'm grabbing off rip. So, you know what I'm saying? We're going back crazy with the sneaker vids. Those is about to be back in rotation, man. So I just wanted to give y'all just another sneak peek at a collection, just because I feel like y'all haven't seen it in a while. You know what I'm saying? I feel like y'all haven't seen it, so I want to go ahead and give it to y'all, man. Give y'all another look at their shoes. You know what I'm saying? All my shoes, they either come from eBay, which you see the authentication tag, eBay or StockX, or I'm getting them from Finish Line or the sneakers app, or a retailer that's selling the shoes. But those are where my shoes come from, if y'all was wondering. eBay, StockX, eBay, StockX, retail, sneakers. That's it. Goat is just way too expensive, and the fees is just crazy. If you shop from Goat, you know what I'm saying. StockX has been a lot better with their shipping since I bought those shoes from them. Those shoes shipped so fast, and they even came from the United Kingdom. So you know what I'm saying, I was kind of surprised Shout out StockX. But those are all my shoes come from. I haven't got my shoes nowhere else. If it's not from the Nike app, the sneakers app, it's eBay or StockX. You know, so that's it for this little clip vid. I just wanted to give y'all an update. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, we will be copping heat. Those 4s come out this week. I'm grabbing them. I'm also grabbing them 9s. I'm also grabbing the Carmines. Like I said, when we come back, bro, I got heat to grab. Like, I'm not playing. And when I'm down New York, I'm trying to grab some shoes as well too. So y'all might get a sneaker vid while I'm down New York as well. But like I said, man, I just wanted to give y'all updated, you know, shoe collection on what's going on and what we doing with this. Eventually this is going to just keep getting higher until I guess it hits right there, you know what I'm saying, that corner, I'm guessing. But yeah, and then I don't know what we gonna do after that, because it's not like I got much little space in my room. You know what I'm saying, maybe throw some over there or something, maybe move my lamp over here or something. That might be a good idea, but how am I gonna get in my cupboard? See, I don't know, bro. But y'all stay tuned, man. More sneaker vids on the way. I just wanted to bless y'all with something real quick. So like, comment, subscribe, and we out of here.